Alright, good evening, box breakers. This is JC Klettfuls bringing you another box break of 2012-2013 Rookie Anthology. Just broke a 2011-2012, had some decent hits in it. Hopefully we get some decent hits out of this box. Let's get to it. Last auction ended on February the 15th at 6:08 p.m. The current eBay time is, refresh it, is at February the 15th at 16:43 Pacific Standard Time. Okay. As you see, we have a sealed box here. Serial number is 6033. Good luck, everyone. While I'm opening this, I'd invite every one of you to like my Facebook page. We'll be posting future breaks there. Like, for example, right now we have one break ending on March the 18th. It's a case break for 2011-2012 Rookie Anthology. There are discounted prices on the Facebook page because it doesn't require us to pay the eBay fees, so get your discounts there. And also, if you buy 3 teams or more, you get a 10% discount off your order. But if you prefer to purchase through eBay because of the feedback system and all that good stuff, go ahead and look at my auctions or my stores, and they're also there as well. So good luck, everyone. 10 packs, 1 prism pack. We'll do the prism last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's get into it. Base. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Ooh, sick patch. Camo patch. Dion Phaneuf. That's a 1, 2, 3, 4 colored patch. Camoed. It's pretty neat. Not serialized though. Or is it? Nope, no serial. It's a pretty neat patch though. Base. Base. And for the Boston Bruins, Rookie Panini Elite, Max Salve, numbered 776 out of 999. Decoy base. Base. And for the Detroit Red Wings, Great Outdoors, Nick Lidstrom, numbered 154 of 500. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs, and I'm going to screw this name up big time, Crown Royals Silhouette, numbered 24 of 25. 2-color dual patch, Mikhail Grabowski. Yeah, I screwed that one up probably. Nice hit. Nice hit, Toronto. Base. Just to let you know too, I ship everything, and I'll ship everything in about 2 weeks. It all goes out economy mail. So if you'd like tracking or insurance on any of these shipments, you'd have to get with me, and we'll work out the details. Base. And for the Boston Bruins, Contenders Legacies, Cam Neely, numbered 080 of 999. Decoy. Base. Actually, soon I'll be taking these live on Breakers TV, so I'm working out the details there. So hopefully we can start doing live breaks. Bass, 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 decoy, bass, bass. Oh, the flat pack. Bass. And for the Toronto Maple Leafs, Elite Rookies, Carter Ashton, numbered 510 of 999. And for the Buffalo Sabres, Metallic Marks, Braden McNabb. Decoy, base, base. Got a thick one in here. Base, base, base. And for the Minnesota Wild, Rookie Treasures, dual patch, number 373 of 699, auto, Jason Zucker. Base, base. Base, base. And for the Chicago Blackhawks, Cup contenders, Patrick Kane, numbered 420 of 999. Decoy, base, base. We will be breaking open the rest of this case, and by the way, this is box number 1 of the sealed case. We'll be breaking out the rest of this case this week and the next week, and then with auctions ending Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, possibly Wednesdays. So look forward to, or like my store, or follow my store, and you should be able to see all the latest auctions. And for the Anaheim Ducks, Titanium Game Worn Gear, Andrew Cogliano. Good Lord. Base, base. Base, base. And for the Carolina Hurricanes, Hart Contenders, Eric Stahl, numbered 155 of 999. Decoy, base, base. Last pack, a Prism pack, 3 cards. Usually the 2 bases and 1 rookie, so good luck everyone. Base. And for the Edmonton Oilers, Prism Rookie, blue parallel, numbered 20 of 25, Philippe Cornet. Actually, you got 2. You got the retail and the blue version. So, there you go. Nice hit, Edmonton. And that concludes our break. Thanks, everyone. See you in future auctions.